If your LinkedIn profile still says student at XYZ college, I am sorry, but recruiters are skipping it. It's harsh, but reality. The profiles that actually get noticed don't look like job seekers. They look like a solutions. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reframe your LinkedIn so recruiters and even startup founders start reaching out to you. This session is built around 3 pillars: visibility, credibility, and strategy. If you focus on these 3, you'll instantly separate yourself from the crowd. Let's start with visibility. Most students just turn on that green Open to Work badge and think that's enough. It's not. Instead, customize your role, your location, and your job type. LinkedIn's own data shows this can boost profile views by 40%. And don't just stop there. Add a tagline that communicates your value. For example, I can write YouTube growth strategist, 130K plus views in 1 week as my LinkedIn headline. Set your updates to recruiters only. This way, your Open to Work badge is visible only to recruiters. Visibility gets you seen. Credibility gets you considered. Recruiters don't buy claims, they buy proof. If you have work experience, then show your performance, your achievements. But if you don't have work experience, I got you. You can create a simple case study based on any project in your field or niche, tell what's working, what can be improved. This way, you can tell your story and showcase your skills even without formal work experience. And always frame results, not effort. For me, I won't say managed Aman Jindal's channel. Instead, I would say grew Aman Jindal's channel by 5K subscribers in 1 week. That difference builds instant trust. Next is keywords. Remember, LinkedIn is a search engine. Recruiters literally filter profiles by keywords. So where do you put them? Your headline, your about section, your experience descriptions. And when it comes to hashtags, less is more. Don't put 20 hashtags, use just 3 to 5 relevant hashtags. Here's a pro tip. Take keywords straight from job descriptions. Recruiters copy-paste those exact terms into LinkedIn search. Now, here's the underrated part: comments. See, your content pulls people in, but your comments push your name out daily. Use this simple 3-line formula. First line is hook. It should show your agreement or resonance. The second line is insight. Just share one quick perspective. And the third is a CTA. You can invite response or just do appreciation. Do this under posts from founders, recruiters, or creators in your niche. Over time, you'll stop being invisible. And now, let's step into a recruiter's shoes for a second. How do they actually search? They filter by headline, by skills, and by location. They're not scrolling through your posts for fun. That's why a headline like student at IITM won't cut it. A stronger option is IITM BS, YouTube growth strategist, 130K plus views in 1 week. See the difference? That one headline shows identity, skill, and positioning all in one. But here's the main question. How do you actually do it? I just told you what to do, but how? For that, you've got to join our next session. Details will be shared in our community. If you're an IITM BS student, you can join the Brandy community. And if you're not an IITM BS student, no worries. Just follow us on Instagram and Twitter or join our WhatsApp channel. Links in the description.